The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, the VTW champion, Suskio Umo. Let's get a close-up of that nameplate, Suskio. Let's get a close-up of that nameplate.
This is my girlfriend. Hey, if you're watching this, I'm not cheating on you.
Let's see that nameplate.
I did already.
I couldn't say it. Suskio Umo. Okay, leave. Gay ball.
Take good care of this. This is my mommy.
You're dating your mom? You said it was your girlfriend. You are sick, man.
You sick, woman.
You're a sick perv.
Sick pervert.
I hope you burn.
You pervert.
I hope you burn.
You look like Chuck Larry.
You burn.
You look like Chuck Larry.
Who?
Don't even deny you do, because you do look like... Because you're going to take us like I'm supposed to die. My son.
Because you're gay.
Down, guy.
Now making his way to the ring, ready to kick Suskio Umo's butt, he is Avery. Hope.
Yeah, I get it, you're an outcast. Always under attack, always coming in last. Bringing up the pass, no one owes you anything. I think you need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid.
Avery. VTW Rolling Thunder, yeah!
Suskio Umo. Belt.
Candy!
Suskio Umo trying to eat Avery. You sick pervert.
Yo, mama pervert.
What? Yo, mama pervert. Suskio Umo fighting on her girl. Like usual. Sometimes I wonder if this guy gets made fun of in the locker room.
Whoa!
Pretty sure Zach makes fun of him a lot.
Are you alright, man?
I'm okay. Help me up.
Suskio Umo asking for help from Avery. Now whoop his butt, Avery!
Oh!
Oh my God! Suskio Umo's mask flies right off his face and lands right back on it. Avery, that was a powerful kick. That was so powerful of a kick. Suskio Umo's mask flew off his face and back on it.
Oh my!
How many times in a million does that happen? Ow!
Mask. I'm getting me a Rey Mysterio mask.
619! 619!
Oh!
And a mini drop kick by Suskio Umo.
Where's my rattle? Where's my rattle?
Rattlesnake.
Shut up. It's
Hey,
real.
somebody give me his rattle. Come on.
Suskio Umo down.
Are you alright?
Oh, you hurt me, Avery.
Come on. Oh my. A big super kick there. And a big knee drop to the back there. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Here's your winner. Avery. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on, give me these belts there. Give me these belts there. Come on. There's Suskio Umo, VTW. Universal champion there.
VTW champion to be in fact.
VTW champion there.